They came in, my package from Vograce. I had to put the order in on November 3rd and it is now February 5th. So it did take quite a while, but it's finally here. So let's go ahead and crack into it. Okay. Before I take any of these out, I am going to finish trying to get all of the stain off of my hands. So I'm going to take a shower and we will do all the unboxing tomorrow. Hello there, it is the next day and so we're going to go ahead and start unpacking everything that we received from Vograce. I have everything here and I just pulled the crates back inside, so we'll stock them there. As we all know, I work in my bedroom, so there's not much space. I have tucked myself into this little corner. As we are unboxing it, I'm going to go ahead and start stocking it into crates so that everything's ready to go and I don't completely enclose myself into my room. So let's dig in. I also apologize, I can't find my microphone, so the audio on this video isn't going to be the best. The first ones are these mirror pillows that I had designed during our Inktober. All of them are pre-packaged, so I'm not going to open them up unless I decide to keep one. But I believe I have 10 of this one and 10 of the campfire design, which is this. It's based off of one of the necklaces that I had painted, and it's from the campfire that my partner and I had when we went camping last, so it's special to me and I love it. Don't think they're all gonna fit in here, so I'll figure that out. The packaging is also a little excessive, so before I take them out to the vending, I am going to cut them right here before the seal line. That's a little ridiculous. And some of them were compressed better than others. Okay, so not the greatest. It only really fits 5 in each one, but that's okay. I'll figure something else as we go. Also, ignore the fire hazard. Don't see that. Next, we have the ghost painting that I turned into little mouse pads for your computer. I think I have about 10 of these each as well. 11. They gave me 11. Then we have our pencil cases. I'm actually really excited about these. It's based off of an underwater photograph that I did with my roommate and friend Brian Spencer as photographer. It came out so cute. Oh, I love this. See it a little bit better. How good is that? Like, ugh, I love it. And this white inside. It's super great. And all of the stitching is really clean too, so I'm super impressed. Next up, we have new sketchbooks, are also based off of an underwater design. They came out really good as well. I love how pink and blue they are. So, it's a blank sketchbook, and the back of it does have a little pocket, which I absolutely love, as well as like a little spacer ribbon and the ribbon to keep it closed. It's cute. I love them. We have a bunch of tote bags, which are the same print as the pencil bag. And it's not that wrinkly, it's really just the pattern of it. I do actually really like them. They're made out of canvas and it feels really good. It's printed onto it, but it doesn't feel like it'll rub off at all. And the quality is really good. It's hard to see on the camera, but you can still see all of the small bubbles and stuff around me. So it's great quality. Highly recommend. Woo! And we have new keychains. This one. I feel like I like it a little bit more as the keychain. There were only 4 designs that I did this round. So this one is going to be my bumblebee, which is also from one of the painted necklaces that I had done. And that one came out so good. I absolutely love it. I'm definitely going to have to make more of my painted necklaces into these keychains. They're going to be a cheaper alternative for people that do like my art but can't necessarily afford my hand-painted necklaces because they are more pricey. I do spend quite a lot of time just sitting there with the smallest brush so this is definitely going to be an awesome alternative that I'm very excited for. I will do inventory of all of them here in a little bit when I get a little bit more organized. That is the last of everything. All that's left in this box are all of the pillows, which I am going to go ahead and just put inside of these. I'll pull 2 of them out to photograph. That way I can post them online and advertise them, but I am going to keep the majority of them in this box. That way when it's time to go vending, like this Saturday when we're at the rail yards, I can just grab it, throw it in my car, and be ready to go. So, yay! See you guys soon. All in all, I'm really happy with the order. It did take a really long time for the order to come in, and that is definitely a bummer. I want to be able to continue using this company. I like their prices and I love the quality, but the wait from November 30th being put into the order to February 4th receiving the package, that's quite a lot of wait time, and I missed a huge Comic-Con. So luckily I do have another Comic-Con coming up in this summer on June. More information about that coming up later. But the rail yards is this weekend for Valentine's Day, and I think we're gonna do really good. So I'm happy with it. If you guys have any questions or want to know anything that I did not describe very well because it's me, then just let me know down in the comments and I will be more than happy to respond. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video or content like it, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you know when we post, because we don't have a solid schedule, but we do our best. Bye!